now it was. I think one wire gonna be backwards in here. Cause this one hooked to everything. This one right here goes in there. Has 3 hubs.
So what are these 2 red lines? You got 2. These 2 going out. They got a. One of them is.
This is go to the brakes, to the trailer light. These 2. Those 2 goes to the.
So what are those? So one of these goes to what?
One goes to the brakes and one goes to the battery.
And this little one goes.
This one thing goes to the light. There's another one here, another one here. See, one left, this one.
Where do these go to?
This is the cord for the remote control here. Goes for the one.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
right. It goes to the right.
Mm-hmm.
The hydraulic
Yeah.
hoist.
Mm-hmm. So the blue one is 3. I know this is just common. It's 3. And this one is 3 powers. 3 goes there. You see, I just have to bring the trailer here